First, let's see what's given. We have $13,500 invested into an account. And the important thing is the type of account. So it's a simple interest account. The rate at which we accumulate interest is 3.25%. How long would it take to accumulate an amount of $18,000? So at the beginning of time, we have $13,500. So that's your present value or your principal P. The rate of interest is 3.25%, which is equal to 0.0325. How long will it take? Which means what is time t? And the time t is always in years. Your answer will always be in years. To accumulate, which means in future, that's your accumulated amount, your future value of the money, is $18,000. So what's missing is t, the time, and that's what we need to figure out. So the two simple interest formulas are A equals P times 1 plus RT and I equals PRT. If we could somehow use I equals PRT, it seems like the solution will be much simpler. So what is I? I is the interest. What is the total amount of money that is interest in this account? So if we know the ending amount, that is the future value, subtract the present value from it, that would be your interest amount I. So we know what the future value or the accumulated amount is. So that's 18,000 minus 13,500, which is equal to 4,500 is the amount of interest in the account at the end of a certain amount of time t. So we know the interest. If we know the A and the P, the difference is the interest. So the next question we need to answer is, what is T? So now that we know interest, we can use the formula I equals PRT. So I, the interest amount is 4,500, is equal to the beginning amount, that is P, the present value, times R, which is 0.0325, times the unknown amount T. Now we have to get T by itself. So we divide both sides by whatever this amount is, that is 13,500 times 0.0325. We do the same thing on the left side, 13,500 times 0.0325, and that would solve for T. So T is equal to 4,500 because these two quantities cancel each other out. So it's 4,500 divided by 13,500 times 0.0325. So we enter the numbers into the calculator, and when you enter the numbers into the calculator, just be extremely careful. So there are two ways of doing this. You go 4,500 divided by open parentheses 13,500 times 0.0325 close parentheses, and then hit enter, so that you get 10.2564 dot dot dot. If we round it to 2 decimal places, we have to round up because that's a 6, so that's 2 5 plus 1, 6 years. Now another way in which you can enter these numbers into the calculator is you can go 4,500 divided by 13,500 divided by 0.0325. You'll get the same answer if you enter it this way, and the answer is 10.26 years.